Parrots have always had a special place in the heart of us humans. For hundreds, if not thousands of years, we've kept them as pets, and we've been enthralled by their beauty and also their intelligent behaviour.
We've already lost about 16 species of parrots that gone extinct today, and we had data of them too. So we looked at trends, what those parrots look like, and we find that most of them were endemic, so only lived in islands, or most of them lived in islands, and were also single country endemic, so just lived in a single country. And they were also large body size, that what we find with today's parrots that more endangered. And they were more habitat specialists, so just lived in one special habitat.
Our analysis was all about trying to work out why this special group of birds is especially in trouble, why so many parrot species are presently endangered with extinction. First of all, we found that it was the largest parrots, the body-sized parrots that are most endangered, and also those which live the longest. And the main reason for this is that it's these long-lived, large-bodied parrots that take a very, very long time to reproduce. They live for many decades, and they reproduce very slowly, and if they're disturbed, their populations have a lot of trouble bouncing back. After that, we found that those parrots with a very small distribution size, ones that were only found in a very small area in the first place, they were very likely to be threatened. And then after that, we found a range of interesting factors about the countries themselves where the parrots occur that help to explain why they're endangered. And the biggest factor there is how quickly or how fast developing the countries were.
The most frequent human threats to parrots were the expanding agriculture, the logging, and the hunting for these species or trapping them for pet trade.
And the other thing that we found that was really important was that those parrots that are dependent on forests, especially rainforests, they were particularly prone or particularly likely to be endangered. That's because so much of the world's forest is being lost, it's being cut down, and the parrots rely on these forests for their nest hollows and also for the very specialised foods, especially fruits and seeds that they need to survive.
And interestingly, also the introduced invasive species that haven't lived there before, like predators or competitors with parrots, were also significant threats to their survival.
We looked at where the most threatened parrot species are in the world, and we found that Latin America, which includes South America and Central America, had quite a much higher proportion of threatened species. And this probably reflects the fast development that is happening in that part of the world. But when we ranked countries for the most severity, the highest severity of threat to their parrots, we actually found that Indonesia was the worst off in the world, followed by Brazil, and in third place was Australia. Australia was a bit of a surprise to us because it's considered a developed country and it does have a lot of parrot species, but our analysis suggested that still way too many of Australian parrots are endangered.